Strange things that science is unable to explain. 1. Strange fossil. Scientists found a strange fossil of a unique creature that lived around 300 million years ago. This fossil, called a Tullamonstrum, was discovered in the Illinois Mason Creek beds. It's really hard to figure out what kind of creature it is because it doesn't seem like anything else we know about. Tull hunters aren't sure if it's a vertebrate, like animals with backbones, or a non-vertebrate. It looks a bit like a fish, with its eyes sticking out and a trunk that seems to work like a mouth. It's like nature was trying something new, but it didn't quite work out. 2. The purring secret. Now that you know about purring, if you have a cat, you've probably heard it before. But why do cats purr? Some experts say they do it when they're happy. But there's more to it than just happiness. Scientists are still figuring out exactly why cats purr. The part of the brain linked to purring activates when cats want to show affection. Some cats purr when they're alone, while others do it when they're about to pass away. Purring can also show feelings like anxiety, fear, or stress. 3. Dancing forest. In a forest between the Baltic Sea and the Curonian Lagoon, something strange happens. Pine trees twist into spirals and odd shapes because of a mysterious force. People think it's because of supernatural powers, like a battle between good and bad energy. Scientists are still trying to figure out why it happens. 4. Cow compass. If you're lost without any navigation tools, you can use something called a cow compass. Scientists found that cows often face either north or south, almost like they have an inbuilt compass. They discovered this by studying satellite images of cows in fields. Even across different continents, around 70% of cows seem to align themselves in this way. The reason behind this behavior is still a mystery to scientists. 5. Corridors of the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Cheops is a puzzling structure on Earth. One mystery is how such massive blocks, weighing several tons, were lifted to such great heights. Another mystery is that this pyramid isn't mentioned in any Egyptian records. Researchers have also found some unknown empty spaces inside the pyramid, each about 30 meters long. They're directly above a large passage called the Grand Gallery, which likely leads to the pharaoh's burial chamber. There's another smaller empty space beyond the northern edge of the pyramid, but its length hasn't been determined yet. One of these pyramids is estimated to be 4,500 years old. 6. Right-handed and left-handed people. Some people think left-handed people are smarter than right-handed ones. There's also a myth that lefties don't live long. Most people, about 90%, are better at using their right hand, a ratio that stayed the same for ages. But it turns out lefties aren't as rare as we thought. Scientists think certain parts of our DNA might decide if we're left or right-handed. Lefties seem to have their brain's language areas working together better. This could relate to diseases like schizophrenia and anorexia. But there's still lots of research needed, and scientists aren't sure why this happens.